All right, today I'm going to show you how to create an STL of something that you have put together in Autodesk. It's really pretty easy. I made this thing just in the last, 3 minutes. And why is there an X and a circle on it? There's no reason. I created the X and then it was not balanced, so I put the circle there. I don't know. You can invent that and use that for your brand of clothing or shoes or something. All right, so how do you create an STL file of that? Really easy, actually. You go to File, you go to Print, which might be a little confusing, but you go to Print, and then it says Prepare File. It says Send a 3D print service, and you're like, I don't want to do that, but it's Prepare Files and Post a 3D print service. So we want to create the STL file, and we want to make sure that the scale is right based on how we created it. You can do a preview, but I'm just going to click OK. Normally, you're going to save this in your Google Drive, so then you can upload it to Google Classroom and share it with me, and we can print it. But I'm just going to put it in this project folder for right now, and I'm just going to call it Test STL, okay? And then I'll save it. And then what happens is it creates that STL file that I can then use, or you can use to print it on the 3D printer. Normally, it also brings up a window asking you where to save it, and it may do that on your computer. I may have already told it not to do that. One of the things that's important about this item that we're going to print, you notice that this is part of the bag tag or the charm thing. You'll notice that I've rounded all of the edges, no sharp edges. That's going to be important because when you 3D print stuff and you have a crisp edge, it can be pretty sharp, and you don't want that. So anyway, that's how you create an STL file.